Hi guys! Okay, so this is gonna be interesting. Ready to go on a nature walk, guys? I am super ready to go on a nature walk. I just have to get more ready in terms of being, well, it's not that chilly out. No, I think I'll be okay. Alright. Gonna take the bucket. Okay, so as you can see, we're going to be getting clay. We're going to be digging for clay. And we're going to be getting more firewood. And as this dries out, and we're getting more clay and firewood, so we're going to make 2 trips. I need the shovel, though. Ah, yes. Trusty shovel. Alright. Okay. So now we're going to walk down the park. We're going to go on our wonderful nature walk of today. As you can see, it's beautiful and bright and sunny. It's a great time to be doing this. Nice early in the morning. I mean, it's not super early like I had initially planned, but I was like, no, I got cleaning I still got to do and a bunch of other stuff, so it just kind of turned into this. And hang on a second, I'm gonna light up a cig. I'm gonna stick those in there so I don't lose them. There we go. That makes everything easy to hold. I put it in the bucket. Yeah. So you guys get to see me on my lovely, beautiful walk on this lovely, oh God, I want to say summerish spring, but midsummer. Yeah, on this midsummer day. It's very pretty out, as you can see. And I just love walking. I love going on walks. It's nice. And you know, it's good exercise. It's good to get the fresh air. Me talking when I'm smoking. But you see what I mean? But I smoke all natural tobacco, so it's not really that bad for you. Ooh, look at the violets. I really want to ask the people who live there if I could just steal some of those violets and make violet jelly. They are beautiful. Oh, and there's plenty of dandelions too. We're gonna have to come back. We're gonna have to come back for those because dandelion tea and jelly, wine, and violet too. You can use violets for that too. Oh, it's so beautiful. And those are apricot trees. And they smell beautiful. See the apricot blossoms falling on the ground. I live in a lovely, wonderful, beautiful neighborhood. Full of nature and just quaint humbleness, I guess you could say. But that's my style. That don't have to be your style. Well, it's one of my styles. I have a lot of style, as you guys can see. Well, I chose this place, and I cast a spell so that I could have a nice home here. And we got it. So, it's nice. Ooh, look at the lavender. I wonder if they'll let me. No, that's lilac. That's lilac, yes. Sorry, not lavender. We are planting lavender, though. In my garden. Lilac is really special for love spells and lust spells. And other things, I guess you could say. Psychic shit. Twin flame shit. Which would be interesting to use for a conjuring spell for that sort of thing. Careful though, you don't really know what you're getting into with those types of things if you're not ready to be with your twin flame. It's kind of bad. Morning glories. Those are beautiful too. It's actually really nice out. It's like I did not expect it to be this nice. Seems Mother Nature was working in my favor for me. Tons and tons and tons. We're going to be digging for clay. So, this should be interesting. Oh good, they kept it clean this time. There's no litter on the ground I can see. That's good. That's a positive plus. I know I dropped my other dream catcher around here somewhere. I don't know if anybody picked it up though. It'd be kind of cool if someone did, but it'd be better if nobody did. I'd be disappointed if I couldn't find it. Yeah, no, I think someone took it. Oh well. What can you do? So this is our little quaint little park. And I'm going to be going over by the rocks. We'll pass the rocks and into the woods to dig in a good spot for, well, I can see the fallen wood right there. We're going to come back for that. There's lots of wood over there too. I have to sit down. Okay. This is a nice, firm spot, I feel. Okay. I'm gonna set this up against the rock so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Okay. Now, we're gonna need to dig pretty deep. And if you're not prepared for all the interesting wildlife you're gonna see, don't do this. It's not for the faint of heart. Just be prepared and mindful and respectful of Mother Nature. Don't kill anything unless it's like something that would actually attack you or is trying to attack you. Because that's just not right. And we have to be respectful to Mother Nature and its little creatures. So I don't kill any bugs, I just shoo them away. Okay? Here we go. And we're gonna dig in. I can see this, see this here. This is already the kind of clay I'm talking about. This red clay. We want to go down deeper to get more of it. We don't want these little mossy parts on top. I mean, we could use them, but I'm not here to collect moss right now. I got enough. So, and oh, see? We have a little bug already. Looks like he's some kind of worm. Oh, yeah. It's like a little worm. It's like, go on. He's a caterpillar. Hang on. Come on, baby. Come on. Come on out. Come on out. I don't want to hurt you. Go on. Go on. Here, see? He's a little caterpillar. We're gonna put him over there. Oh. Hang on. He's fine where he is. You guys can kind of see him. He's laying. But yes, you're gonna encounter insects like that. Now see we're hitting a rock here. Or a root. You gotta dig deep. This soil here might be too rocky. That's pretty good. Yeah, let's try it over here. See, there's lots of roots here. It's probably not the best place. Lots of glass too. See that? That's rock and glass. But that red clay that's right there is perfect. Sadly, it's got so many rocks in it. Now see, oh, there's a worm. Earthworm. Get out of my way, buddy. Alright, see, I'm gonna have to put it back a bit. This soil here is too rocky. We're gonna move up a bit. Let me try it here. Oh, little cocoon animals. Lots of moth cocoons and butterflies and earthworms you're gonna find. You're gonna find larvae of other things too. This doesn't seem to be a very good spot to be finding what I want to find. Not the place I wanted. Alright. Let's try moving over here. Okay. Because we don't want just any soil. We want good soil, right? We want good clay.